Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 6th, assignment number 7, topic is learning how to measure. In that first question, give examples for the shapes with regular surface area. Regular surface area, that means symmetric object, that is a square surface area we can able to measure very easily. Side into side we will get area. Similarly, a rectangular surface area, length into width will give the area of the rectangle. Like that, circular area. So, these are all some examples for symmetric or regular surface areas of the objects. Okay. Next question, give examples for the objects which have irregular surface area. Examples, see, hand, surface, the palm is irregular, unable to measure or unable to calculate its surface area with our mathematical expressions or mathematical formulas. And similarly, foot, surface of the foot, and also surface of the leaf, surface area of the leaf. You can give n number of examples for the irregular surface areas of the objects. Okay. Next question, which method do you prefer to measure the irregular surface areas? Already we discussed in the activity, that is measurement of surface area of the leaf. In that, which method do we prefer? That is graphical method, that is a graph paper method is the preferable, so that we can measure the irregular surface areas by using graph paper. Okay. Next question, how will you measure the area of your palm using graph paper, and explain. First you have to take the graph paper, place your hand on the graph paper and write the outline, draw the outline of your hand or palm, outline of your palm, then remove, then count the number of complete cells. This is one cell, this is one cell, like that. So, first completely filled cells you count. Next one, half or more than half filled cells you count. Then add all those. Then you will get the final total surface area of your palm. But less than half filled cells you neglect. Only half or more than half filled cells you need to consider. Okay, with that you will calculate the surface area of your palm. Okay. So, with this today's assignment is completed. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.